All right, guys, if you're looking to get something started on Amazon New Zealand, the biggest challenge I think people have is really deciding on what types of products to sell. And that's the biggest struggle. And I think a lot of people sort of get caught in, I want to sell something that I like. I want to sell knitting needles. I want to sell pet products. I want to sell building supplies because I'm a builder. I want to sell knitting needles because I love to knit and crochet, right? And let me tell you, if you're looking to get or be successful on Amazon, you can't sell products that you love, and just because you love them, you want to sell them, right? That's not how it works. You base it all on numbers. This is a business. You base it all completely on, are people buying that product? And if they are, what are the turnover? What are they making essentially in terms of sales, right? And these are all the things that we help you run. We show you how to identify the trending products. What are people typing in currently in Amazon? What types of products are people buying right now? What are some of the popular products right now on Amazon? Let me tell you a few, right? Pet products, kitchen type products, baby products, toddler products. You've got homewares, that's anything in the house, fitness, picnic, outdoor, barbecue. These are the top trending categories right now. Beauty. Now, when I say beauty, what I mean is beauty products for sure. Everyone wants to be beautiful, right? Everyone wants to be fit. That's why fitness products are always generally top in the top categories, right? The beauty products, beauty accessories, beauty makeup bags, those sorts of things. Those are the products that are very easy to launch on Amazon, very easy to sell. And if you are a beginner, they are perfect products for you, right? Now, if you want help in finding more product ideas, give us a call in the office. The number's on the screen. We work with beginners. So if you're already an Amazon seller and you already have a product or two products up, we're not the best fit for you. We actually turn away business. I turned away someone the other day because we were not the best fit for them. And I do that because I'm upfront, where if we can help a client, we will. If I can't help a client, I'll let you know and I'll say, we're not the best fit for you. And we'll try to help you, but in most cases, we'll basically say, here are a few other people that can help you. We mainly work with beginners. So if you're starting fresh, you've never sold anything online, even if you've never sold anything on TradeMe before, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter, right? You can get something started on Amazon. You can basically get something launched on Amazon, even if you are starting from scratch, starting from square one. Those are the main people that we work with, beginners. And if you have a product idea, great. If you don't have a product idea, even better. We can show you and identify products for you. All right. So anyway, I wanted to share just some top categories in this video. If you want to get a free training,
I did it to try and find more time.
Build a business that I can sort of work on and expand and make decent income from.
We have gone ahead in leaps and bounds. We love it.
I'm enjoying the course thoroughly. It explains things very well.
This course to me is much better than a lot of the other courses that people are offering because of the personal touch.
Go with someone that's in Australia. A bit more in common too with things that we can sell and buy.
What I've loved about the training is the personalised service. It's been the access to experts that are on hand to answer your questions, and they do it really well.
I decided that a 9-to-5 traditional way of earning money was no longer an option for me.
I choose Alex and his team because they have good system in place in teaching us beginners.
I can do it in my own time. And if I have any trouble, I know I can message them.
I've really enjoyed the support around me. It's been really enjoyable having them there and knowing at a click of a button, just ask them a question.
This kind of business is, you have to learn a lot. You need this type of team to do it.
I never done in the online business before, and you have the guideline and to do anything from beginning.
It's set out logically, it's easy to follow, it's simple.
Full of knowledge, down to earth. What they have, the knowledge is just invaluable.
Very easy to understand, and the support that you get after
email questions or send text messages and things, And usually you get a reply within about a day or so.
I will happily recommend this program to anybody who has no previous experience or knowledge in the online business.
Yes, I'd be happy to recommend to any of my friends, colleagues, or anyone that should ask.
The software programs that they use with finding products, how to use and focus on keywords.
The training part is very comprehensive, very nicely laid out, step-by-step program. It's easy to find things that you're looking for.
I'm new at any business. This is my first time starting any business at all, and I just feel comfortable. I feel confident, and to know that there's support.
Through your training, you've given me the confidence to actually go out there, get my own supplier, buy my own products to go and sell on Amazon. Of course, I would definitely recommend your training. I think it's absolutely brilliant.
Absolutely, I'll be recommending this to all my friends and family.
Yep, I'd be an advocate for it. The 10 basic steps makes it so easy and really simple and clear.
For sure, this is the best move that I had.
I couldn't have done it without them pretty much. It's been really good.
Highly recommend them.
Yeah, for sure. Very informative.
It's not possible to make a success in a short time without someone to support and mentor you.
Definitely do it. It's another income stream.
Yeah, that they should definitely join the program because, sometimes you find a lot of information on the internet and then you don't know where to start.
Alex and the whole team are just really genuine.
Oh, highly recommend. I'm a very hands-on person, so I like to see things before I do them.
If I had a problem, I either rang him, sent him a message, he'd call me straight back or he'd answer my call, and he was always there to help, which has been pretty awesome.
It's really good, gives you a really good insight, and just having the knowledge that you've got a team behind you that you can speak to and grab advice from.
Just to go for it. Really highly recommend it. These people are genuine people.
Absolutely. I've done a lot of different seminars over the years. Alex conferences are number one.
Do it in a heartbeat. I wouldn't second guess it. Do it. You get so much out of it, and knowing that you have such a great supporting team behind you.
I'd say it's probably one of the best courses. I've actually done other courses, and for a starting person, this is the ideal way to start.
This has been really good, this training, all the way around, at home and here over the last 2 days.
There's lots of things to learn, you'll have a really good time trying to find and reach your goals.
I work shift work, I send him text messages at random hours, and he always seems to get back to me, or emails, get back to me really fast.
They know their stuff. I've just got to trust them.
Very down to earth, very approachable, and extremely helpful.
I can honestly highly recommend that if you want a successful business in Amazon, join Alex and his team. You won't be sorry.
And that you've got someone to talk to. If you've got a question, there's an actual person that you can talk to, and they're really, really helpful.
In the next 45 seconds, I'm going to walk you through how to get something started on Amazon. I'm going to guide you step by step what you need to do if you are wanting to sell on Amazon and you're based in Australia or New Zealand. Now, number one is find small, lightweight, simple products like these, all right? A lot of those products are out there. They exist. They're very small. They're simple. There's no batteries. They're lightweight. Doesn't cost a lot of money to ship, and very easy to maneuver, all right? You want to find these products. The second step is to find a good supplier. You can find these products on quite easily from overseas suppliers very cheaply. And the next step is to ship it to Amazon warehouses. There's warehouses based all around Australia. In fact, they're building another one here in Sydney where I'm based. They're actually all around the world, and a lot of them are based in America. Guys, if you are looking to get something started on Amazon and you're a beginner and you've never done this before, I put together an exclusive training. So this training, around this video, there's a link. Give that link a click. We actually walk you through 10 products that are selling really well right now. These 10 products, I will walk you through what to look for, the next steps that you need to take, and I'm going to assume that you are a beginner, that you've never done any of this sort of stuff before. I'm going to assume all of that, and I'm going to walk you through what you need to do next if you are looking to get something started on Amazon, okay? So guys, around this video, there's a link. Give that link a click. I would love to work with you. If you're looking for help, in fact, launching your first product on Amazon, I can even help you list and launch your first product on Amazon Australia, or even Amazon USA. all right? So guys, I've been doing this now for over 10 years, helping people find products and launch them on sites like Amazon, all right? We've worked with a lot of students, different levels of experience. Some people are 19 years old, some people are even 80 years old. We've helped people even 80 years old launch their product on sites like Amazon. So it doesn't matter about your experience, it doesn't matter whether you've done this before, it doesn't even matter whether or not you've even sold anything before online. Anyone can do this. Around this video there's a link, give that link a click. I would love to see you on this training. Have a great day, talk to you real soon. Bye bye for now, see you later.